Welcome to this full body strength and mobility session. Namaste. Sit in a comfortable pose. We're going to practice Ujjayi Pranayama. It consists of listening the ocean in your breath. To do this, try to gently contract the glottis when you inhale and exhale by your nose, slowly and lengthening your breathing. Start moving your shoulders. I recommend you to maintain this Ujjayi Pranayama during the whole practice. Move your wrist. Extend right arm, palm up, and extend fingers toward elbow when you exhale. Turn the hand over, and when you exhale, bring the fingers toward you. Do the same with the left arm. Now with your left hand, lean your head to the left shoulder. Align your column. Come back to the center, exhaling, and do the same with the opposite side. Feel the stretch of your upper back and go to the center again. Shoulders away of your ears. Inhale, look up. Exhale, rotate to the left side. Open your left arm and look at the thumb. And come back. Left hand to your right knee and open your right arm extended and look at the thumb. Chin to your chest, lengthen your spine. Inhale and exhale in Ujjayi. Go to the center again. Feel the pose. Inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to your chest. Take off the safu. And we're gonna sit with your right leg in front. And we're gonna turn to the right and to the left, moving your arms. Extending one arm while flexing the other. Turn towards the right leg, hands on the floor, extend the left one backwards and perform this movement with an active abdomen and table in. Place your left leg on the floor and drop forward and go backwards. To balance hemispheres, we do the same with the opposite side. Now left leg forward and right leg bend back and move your arms like an archer. Look at the arm extend. Turn to your left leg, extend your right, and keep this movement. Protect your lumbar part with your table in and activate pelvic floor in and up, the same as your abdomen. Now move your column, going backwards and drop forwards. Place your hands on the floor and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Open your chest, right leg up, and touch your right elbow. perform this exercise. Be careful with the shoulders, always away of your ears. Hold the pose by pressing your hands into the ground. Chest close to the ground. Go to Chaturanga, to Urdhva Mukha. Open your chest and exhaling, go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg up and touch your left elbow. We do the same with your left side. Keep pressing the floor with your hands. Stay in the pose, breathe deeply, and come back to Chaturanga, to Urdhva Mukha. Open your chest, open your heart, and exhaling to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and exhale deeply, relax your neck and your head. Take a small step forward with your right leg. Inhale, look up, upright your pose. Hug your elbows and exhale. Drop forwards your right leg. Direct your hips to the front. Root your feet and exhaling, go up. Inhale, look up. Exhale and do the pose. Feet together and to the other side. You can also do a Namaskar Mudra, hands together, and exhaling, drop forward to your left leg, which is extended as much as possible. Feel the ocean in your deeply breathe, and slowly come back. Inhale, look up, exhale, and do the pose, hands to your chest. Let's do some movement. Inhale, look up, exhale, drop forward. Inhale, look in front, and exhale, jump to plank. Exhaling, go to Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, knees on the air, and exhaling, Adho Mukha. Right leg up, step forward, and go to lunge. And do this movement round in circles your arms. Your trunk is going backwards and forwards, synchronizing the movement and the breathing. Extend your left leg a little bit more. And place your hands on the floor. Inhale, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg up and a step forward. Raise the trunk and your arms up and move in circles. Your arms at the same time you are moving your trunk backwards and forwards. Press the ground with your feet. Hold the lunge, and exhaling, place your hands on the floor and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana and take a deep breath. Right leg up and big step forward. Place your hands on your left knee. Move your column as if you were snaking. While you breathe, place your right hand on your right knee, open this hip. Look up if it's no pain, chin to your chest. Place your toes and extend left leg. Go to the center, place your hands, inhale and exhale, go to plank. Inhale deeply, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg up, big step to the front, place your both hands on the floor, right knee on the ground, and move your spine the same as if you were snaking. Feel the movement in your whole column. Put your left hand on your left knee. Open this hip. Extend. Right leg. Look up. Or look down if it's any pain in your neck. Place your hands on the floor. Go back to plank. Hold the body very active and exhaling. Go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Relax your head, relax your neck, relax your face. Move a little bit your head. Release your body. And come back to plank. Table in, abdomen very active. And turn to the left side in half plank. Arms in cross, shoulders away of your ears. Press the ground to elevate yourself. Go to the center. Stay in plank. Feel your body active and strong. And turn to the other side. Hips up. Shoulders away of your ears. Lengthen your spine and come back to plank with your elbows. Table in, hold pelvic floor in and up, and move from side to side, letting your hips drop. Hold your upper back active and strong. Hold table in, stay in plank, place your knees on the floor, and go to Balasana. Move your hands, move your fingers, move your wrists. Extend your arms on the floor along the body, palms face up. Relax the right side of the face on the ground. Breathe deeply and change to your left side of the face on the floor. Relax. Now forehead on floor, extend your arms. Look to your hands and go to Quadrupedia. Extend left leg and right arm. Bend the left knee and pick up the back of the foot with the right hand. Table in, shoulders away of your ears, chin direct to your chest. Breathe deeply and into the post. Extend and place on the floor. Inhale, extending and moving the snake in your spine. When you exhale, you flex your column. Release tension and go to the opposite side. Extend right leg and left arm. Bend right knee and take the foot with your left hand. Hold table in, open your chest, chin to your chest, and into the pose. Come back to Quadrupedia. Feel your pose balance and sit on your toes. Tilt your head from right to left while you move your wrist in circles. Move your head in circles. Move your shoulders. Now, sit on the soles of your foot. Feel some relief. Take your shuffle and sit on a comfortable pose. Lean your body to the left and to the side. Placing your hand on the ground and opening your chest. Root your hips on the floor. Alternate the position of your feet and continue leaning to one side and the other with your hips ground on the floor. Hold the harmony of your spine. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Tilt to one side to other. Cross your arms and place your hands together. Elbows to the abdomen, shoulders away of your ears. Lengthen your spine and breathe. Open your arms and change the opposite cross of your arms. Hold the pose. Inhale and exhale deeply. Open your arms, inhale. Exhale, hands to your heart together. Feel again the ocean in your breathing. Feel the change when you dedicate time to yourself. Be thankful